this is Swati Bhagchandka from Om Sahasrara Yoga. Today I am going to share with you a very important and widely accepted medical practice which helps in increasing and which also will help in maintaining your oxygen level during these COVID times while you are safe at home. Friends, this practice is called as self-proning. Now, what are the advantages of self-proning? Self-proning helps in making your breath smooth and easy. It opens up your alveolar units and it also helps in increasing the oxygenation in your body. So, let me show you how can we do self-proning at home. Before I begin the self-proning practice, we have to keep in mind that under no condition our abdomen should be obstructed by the pillow, because as we will be doing deep breathing exercises during this self-proning, the obstruction of abdomen will hamper the process and it might also reverse the effect of self-proning. So what we have to keep in mind that when we place our pillows, the pillow should not be kept below our abdomen. We need few pillows. One pillow will be near my leg. We can keep 2 to 3 pillows depending on the position and our height, which will be kept in our hip position or pelvis area. And we need a small pillow or a cushion to keep near our upper chest. Alright? So, what we have to keep in mind is that when we will do deep breathing practices like the diaphragm, which is between the stomach and the chest, should not be obstructed by the pillow. So, how do we lie down? We will keep our pillows like this. Let me show you. I will keep my calf muscles on top of the first pillow and I will keep my hip area or my pelvis just above these 2 pillows, and I will keep the first cushion just above my chest area. So now you can see, just show from the side, you can see that my abdomen is not obstructed because of the pillow, right? I can put my palm and you can see that my abdomen is not. So I have to place my cushion in such a way that I feel comfortable when I do deep breathing. I can lie down like this, or I can even lie down like this, and I can even, when I get comfortable after a few deep breaths, and if I feel comfortable, I can also come in this position and do deep breathing practice like. But always remember that do this after consulting with a doctor and keep your saturation device attached to your finger and keep on noting your oxygen level while you do the practice. Only if you feel comfortable, you should come in this position. Otherwise, if you feel that your saturation level is decreasing, then you can just lie down like this and do deep breathing like this. You can also lie down like this and do deep breathing. Remember that you have to do this practice for a minimum of 1 to 2 hours, and then you will notice a marked difference and improvement in your oxygen levels in your body. Alright? So what are the points that we will remember during this self-proning is that we will keep few pillows in position like this below our calf muscles, 2 to 3 pillows near my hip area and 1 cushion near my chest. Okay, and if any questions you have, you can consult me, you can ask me at Om Sahasrara Yoga. Feel free, I will be there to reply to your queries at omsahasrarayoga333@gmail.com, and please place your comments in the comment section below. But please remember to take doctor's advice before you begin the self-proning. Self-proning is done once your oxygen level comes down below 94. But if the oxygen level drops further down below 92, you have to seek immediate medical professional advice. Thank you. Hope you all are safe. Stay safe and blessed at home. Hari Om Tat Sat. Namaste.